If you're considering ways to increase the resale value of your home in Slidell, one upgrade that often gets overlooked is replacing your old windows. While it may seem like a minor home improvement, the truth is that new windows can have a profound impact on the overall value of your property. In this article, we will explore how upgrading your windows can not only enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home but also make it more appealing to potential buyers when it comes time to sell. Improved curb appeal. The first thing anyone notices about your home is its exterior. New windows can transform the look of your house, giving it a fresh, modern appearance. Whether you're installing sleek, contemporary windows or opting for a more classic style, new windows provide a noticeable upgrade that will increase your home's curb appeal. This is essential because first impressions matter. Buyers often decide whether to make an offer based on how a property looks from the outside. A home with updated, stylish windows will stand out on the market, giving it an edge over others with outdated or worn-out windows. Increased energy efficiency. In today's market, buyers are increasingly focused on energy efficiency. Old windows can lead to heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This not only increases utility bills but can also lead to an uncomfortable living environment. By installing new, energy-efficient windows, you can dramatically reduce air leaks, increase insulation, and improve temperature control in your home. Many modern windows are designed with energy-efficient technologies such as low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas fills between panes to reduce heat transfer. Potential buyers will appreciate the savings they can enjoy on their monthly utility bills, making your home more attractive and valuable. Enhanced security. Security is another factor that buyers consider when purchasing a home. Older windows can be easier to break into or are equipped with outdated locks, making them a potential target for burglars. Installing new, more secure windows with advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and stronger frames can make your home safer. Buyers will appreciate the added security features, giving them peace of mind and boosting the desirability of your home. Noise reduction. Slidell is a charming city, but it can get noisy, especially if your home is near a busy street or highway. New windows with soundproofing properties can significantly reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially important for buyers who value tranquility and privacy. Whether it's the sounds of traffic, construction, or neighbors, having a home that offers a serene atmosphere can be a major selling point. Buyers will recognize this benefit, and it could make your home stand out as a peaceful retreat in a bustling area. Increased home value. All of the benefits above contribute directly to the overall value of your home. According to real estate experts, home buyers are willing to pay more for homes that have been updated with energy-efficient features, better security, and improved aesthetics. In fact, upgrading your windows can give you a strong return on investment, ROI. While the exact value increase will depend on the quality of the windows and the overall market conditions in Slidell, you can typically expect to recover a significant portion of your investment in the form of a higher selling price. New windows are also a signal that the home has been well maintained, which can be a major selling point for buyers who are wary of taking on costly repairs. By investing in window replacement, you demonstrate to potential buyers that the property is in good condition and ready for move-in. Low maintenance. Modern windows are designed to be low maintenance, which is a significant advantage for potential buyers. Older windows may require frequent painting, sealing, or repairs to keep them functioning properly. Newer windows, however, often feature materials that are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to clean. For example, vinyl windows require little maintenance compared to wood-framed windows that may need to be repainted every few years. This convenience can be a deciding factor for buyers who are looking for a home that doesn't require constant upkeep. Final thoughts. When preparing your home for resale in Slidell, don't underestimate the power of new windows. They not only enhance your home's aesthetics and energy efficiency but also contribute to improved security, noise reduction, and low maintenance. All of these factors combine to make your property more appealing to potential buyers and can ultimately increase its resale value. If you're looking for a cost-effective home improvement that pays off in the long run, replacing your windows is an excellent investment. Whether you're selling soon or just want to enjoy the benefits for yourself, upgrading your windows is a smart choice that can yield great returns.